Okay, I'm freaking out a little bit. The pump's not running even though the pump light's lit. This is the second time. If you take a look, mash is still running in the first phase. I don't have any pump brake light on. Pump light's lit up. When I go up here, no pump. It's been off for a couple minutes. I don't think this is normal, but I'm also not very familiar with the unit, so maybe I don't understand how it works. It was running a little while ago, and then it's quit. Now it says pump brake, and the pump light went out. Which, if the pump light was on pump brake, it would have already stopped, I would have thought. I'm not sure I understand what's going on here. Wait until the brake ends here, and then I'll show you that the pump does not kick back on. So we're starting phase 2. Heat, pump's kicked on. It's supposed to be going up to the 63 Celsius for 30 minutes. Heat, pump is off. I've got enough water covering the coils so that doesn't cause a problem. Just did enough to just run the pump to see if it's working again. You'll see that the heat continues to rise, but the pump is not moving. Well, I say the heat's rising. It hasn't went up. Okay, I waited a few minutes just to illustrate that the heat is still rising. It's gone up to 54. It doesn't sit with the camera running. So the heat's rising, the pump light's lit, but no pump. I don't know what's going on. I'm hoping somebody's seen this before. You can see 55, it's starting to go up. Nothing with the pump. This is pretty hot, which you would expect it to start getting warm plumbing wise, because it's got hot liquid through it. But I don't know. I mean, it's not even sounding like it's trying to run. It's like the unit's just not kicking it on for some reason. And 56, so we're just rising. But again, no pump action. 57. No pump. Anybody have any suggestions? Anybody seen this before? Appreciate whatever advice you have. Okay, you got me to thinking. Maybe it's electrical. Here's my box. Runs back behind my dryer and all this mess, which you can ignore. Hooked up to the 220. And I wanted to check the cord. I've got it plugged in. Lights turned on. This is GFCI. Everything, the light's green. But I'm seeing something that I'm wondering is not normal. Sorry for shaking the camera. When I put the two probes in, I would expect that to read lower. My question to all you fine people out there is, could this be causing my problem? Maybe an overvoltage situation? I don't know what would be causing this. I basically took the two hots and ran it through the two black and red wires. But it's definitely running over voltage, or over what I would have expected anyway. So not much, but in the grand scheme of this device, that might be a factor. I don't know. Let me know what you think.